Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you change location on Ome TV. In order to change location on Ome TV, you just have to follow these steps. So here, what you want to do is first thing first, launch open the Ome TV app on your device. After which you'll then be logged in or you'll be asked to create your account, all sort of things. So usually it will be as a default location. Just while creating your account, you'll be asked to select the country of your visa. You could go ahead and select that out, or else you could also try using a VPN or any sort of extension that can help you to change location on Ome TV. So for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue with my Facebook. Alright then. So now that you've logged in, this is how it's going to look like. So you want to simply click on the gear icon in the top right hand side corner at the bottom. Just go ahead and click on the gear icon, and then you could go and make changes with your location, and or else try using a VPN. That's going to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.